how to know the length of these clips on the timeline of DaVinci Resolve. To find out the length of these clips, we have to take a look above the video here on the left side. So we have numbers on the left and on the right side, but this will show the length of those clips more exactly. First we have to define the beginning and the end of that zone and enable this snapping so that the playhead will jump exactly there. Now press the letter I for the in point. I on the keyboard. This selection appears. Now go to the end, stick it there, press the letter O on the keyboard, and now we have this zone which is defining the beginning and the end, and the length of that line is this one: hours, minutes, seconds and frames. So the length is 1 minute and 24 seconds. If I deselect this line, let's say with Alt X, this line will disappear and these numbers will change. So Alt X, line is not present, and now it's showing 25. Now what is that 25? The 25, Shift Z, I will press the end key and thus the playhead will jump there to the end of the clips. And the total time will be shown here. So press end on the keyboard and it's showing exactly 25 and 11, just as here 25 and 11. So if nothing is selected with the in point and out point, then this one is showing the length of all the clips on the timeline, just like that one, because there is the playhead at the end of all the clips on the timeline. And the next one on the right side is showing where that playhead is. Exactly now they are in the same location at the end of all the clips. If I go, let's say there, then notice that number is smaller and it is showing the exact position of the playhead. So once again, the length of this portion is defined by I and O, and it is shown here, 1 minute and 24 seconds.